Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Engineering College, Jalabad. So, we are continuing our topic Group Technology. So, we are discussing the last part classification coding method. So, we already discussed there are two types. Two parts are there. One is classification and one is coding. So now we understand what is parts classification scheme. The following three types of subsystems are used for the part classification. The three attributes are there. First is system based on the design attributes. Means we do the classification based on the design attributes. What is design attributes? These are examples: basic external shape, basic internal shape, L by D ratio means length by diameter ratio, material type, function, part function, major dimension, minor dimension, tolerance, surface finish. So all these are design attributes, means related to design of the part. Okay. Second is manufacturing attributes. So it's related to manufacturing. You can understand by the name. So what is all examples are there? Major process, minor operation, major dimension, L by D ratio. Because this also using manufacturing also. Some are same. You are thinking that it's already came in the design part. Why it's coming in the again? So it's also related with the manufacturing also. So some may be common. Don't confuse with that. So surface finish, machine tool, operation sequence, production time, batch size, annual production, fixture needed, cutting tools. That's all related to manufacturing. And third is based on the both design and manufacturing attributes. So you know, some are design attributes, some are manufacturing attributes, some are common. So we can divide in three parts: A, only design attributes; B, only manufacturing attributes; C, only common for both design and manufacturing. So now in third, both design and manufacturing, we are taking all the three: A, B, and C. Okay, don't confuse with that. We are only taking C part, means which are common, no, which are not common, which are common also, or which are different also. We are taking all A, B, and C. A is design attributes, only design attributes. Now we understand again. A is only design attributes. A part, A is list are there. B list are there, only manufacturing attributes. And C list are there, which are common. So in third, both design and manufacturing attributes, we are taking all three: A, B, and C, all three lists. So don't confuse. We are taking only C list. We are taking all three lists in third. Okay. In first design attribute, we are taking A and C. In second, we are taking B and C. But in third, we are taking all the three. So it's come all design as well as manufacturing, like basic external shape, internal shape, L by D ratio, metal type, part function, major dimension, minor dimension, tolerance, surface finish. So it's counting both in that. A means all these three lists are there. Okay. So don't confuse with that. We have now we again understand by taking example. A list, we have three lists. A list which only means don't, it's only have related to design, it didn't in manufacturing. B list are there which only have related to manufacturing, like in this basic external shape, internal shape, L by D ratio. These are common type. L by D ratio is common, so we put in 3 list C. Okay. Tolerance, surface finish, which are only related to design. Manufacturing attributes, batch production, production time, annual production, which only related to manufacturing, we put in B. So we have three lists: A list, B list, and C list. A list related to only with design, B related to only with manufacturing, C related to common. A and B means design and manufacturing. And third, both means we taking all the three lists: A, B, and C. Okay. Thank you very much. Now we again we will continue within our next lecture.